welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Zambia. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a tourist visa to any country, the very first thing you need to check whether you need a visa or not for based on the purpose that you have, because based on the purpose, duration, and also on your nationality, you may not need, because a lot of countries have visa free travel arrangements based on your nationality. And in case you find out you need, then you need to check the requirements as per your location, because let's say um, you live at a location, then based on the location there could be specific process like specific documents, specific forms, fee, and other things, right? So for example, if you are living in India and you want to apply a tourist visa to Zambia, so I have opened this High Commission of Republic of Zambia, which is in New Delhi. So if you go to consular services, they have less visa services. Click on it. So for this is their visa application form. We'll walk through it. So for tourist visa requirements, fill in triplicate. Wow, you mean 3 copies. Photocopy the first, second, and last pages of valid passport. Perfect. Original photocopy of yellow fever vaccination certificate. 3 recent passport size photos covering letter from the applicant, photocopy with original return or onward tickets. Okay. Confirmation letter, the day-to-day itinerary and combined hotel booking from a tour operator in Zambia. Proof of sound financial status in the form of copy of credit card or bank statement. Okay. And what is the fee for single entry, double, multiple? Submission time they have given and collection time also. 10 days to process. Okay. Fees will be paid. Again, this processing could less, could be more as well, and that depends on case by case basis. In some cases, it could be much more than that if they need to conduct interview or verify some documents. So, and fee payment is given here. Okay, like it has to be a demand draft. So that's what I say, that these things vary based on your location. Here, now this is for visiting visa. Now shaded fields are for official use, so don't do anything here. Okay. Surname, and they have written it to complete in blocks. So this is an MS PDF, so that's fine. Click this here. You have to click date of birth, place of birth, national. This section is very simple. Nothing needs to be explained over there. You can easily fill it up. If you have ever applied to them, you can provide the information. If not, you can skip it. If you have been restricted from entry any country or deported or repatriated from any country, provide the details. If you have any conviction in or outside Zambia, provide the details. And then at the end is the declaration. This is again for official use, so don't worry about it. So that's and then other details we have already walked through, that how you will pay the fee, documents, and where to apply. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the video. Thank you.